Hello students, welcome to Nelson English School, Standard 4, Worksheet 5, Lesson 2, Storage in Computer System. Question A, take the correct answer. Which of these is a volatile memory? Flash, option A, flash drive, option B, RAM, option 3, CD, and option 4, ROM. So the correct answer is RAM. Question 2. How many bits make a byte? Option A, 2, option 2, 4, option 3, 8, and option 4, 16. So the correct answer is option 3, 8. 3. Which optical drive has the highest storage capacity? Option A, CD, option 2, DVD, option 3, BD, and option 4, CD, RW. So the correct answer is option 3, BD. 4. Which of these is an electronic memory? Option A, RAM, option B, ROM, option C, both of these, and option D, none of this. Correct answer is option C, both of this. 5. 1 kilobyte is a combination of dash bytes. Option 1, 1000, option 2, 1024, option 3, 1012, and option 4, 1048. So the correct answer is option 2, 1024. Now, next question. Fill in the blanks using the hints given in the clue box. Clue box: 25, 1024, USB, 50, ROM, ROM, and secondary. First, dash is a primary memory where startup instructions are stored. So the correct answer is ROM, ROM. Next, 1 megabyte is equal to dash kilobytes. So the answer is 1024. Third, dash memory is also known as external memory. So the answer is secondary. SECONDARY, secondary. Fourth, Blu-ray disc can store data in the range of dash to dash GB. So the answer is 25 to 50 GB. Fifth, flash drive is connected at dash port. So the answer is USB port. Now, question 3. Match the following. First, RAM. So the answer is holds, HOLDS, holds data temporarily. Second, compact disc or CD. So the answer is stores up to 700 MB data. Third, hard disk. Answer is stores up to 500 GB to 10 TB data. Next is memory stick. Stores up to stores 1 GB to 512 GB of data. Next is ROM. So the answer is stores start up instructions. Next question is answer the following as true or false. First, primary memory is used to hold the data permanently. So the answer is false. Second, contents of the ROM cannot be changed. So the answer is true. Third, hard disk is a portable storage device. So the answer is false. Fourth, DVDs can store more information than Blu-ray disc. So the answer is false. Now, 5. Secondary storage memory is permanent memory. So the answer is true. So, worksheet 5 is finished.